Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red lentil soup. Start by rinsing 1 cup red lentils and chopping 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks celery. Sauté aromatics with 2 cloves garlic, turmeric, cumin, and a pinch of chili. Add lentils, 4 cups vegetable broth, and simmer 20 minutes until tender. Finish with lemon juice, salt, and chopped parsley, then blend for a silky texture. Serve hot with crusty bread. To deepen flavor, toast spices in the pot for 30 seconds before adding onions. Use turmeric and cumin for warm earthiness and a pinch of chili for gentle heat. Deglaze with a splash of broth to lift brown bits and intensify taste. Simmer with a bay leaf for subtle background notes, then remove it before blending. Finish with lemon and fresh herbs to brighten every spoonful for a lively bowl. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you stand at the stove. I use them when simmering soup, and they keep my feet happy through every batch. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Decide your preferred texture before blending and reserve a small scoop of cooked lentils if you want bite. For silky soup, use an immersion blender until fully smooth and creamy. For rustic texture, pulse briefly and stir in a few unblended lentils. Add more broth to thin the soup or simmer longer to thicken naturally. Top with yogurt, herbs, or toasted seeds to contrast the texture and add interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.